in how many groups the repertories are classified. Why there is concept came in Dr. Hahnemann's mind that to classify the repertories. Anyone? Why the concept came in our master Dr. Hahnemann's mind to to classify the repertories? Anyone? There are many repertories which are present during Hahnemann's time, as well as nowadays there are more than 200 repertories in the market. So it was difficult for a homeopath to find out the exact repertory, to choose the exact repertory for repertorization. So in less time to choose exact repertory, Dr. Hahnemann he classified the repertories into different groups. Just a minute, I will share the screen. So the number of repertories, screen is visible. Screen is visible. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the number of repertories has been progressively increasing since the time of Master Hahnemann. Today, there are more than 200 repertories available to the profession, and there are various types of repertories which can be helpful for different purposes. Hence, it is necessary to classify them so that the busy practitioner can utilize the right repertory at the right time. So, to utilize the right repertory at right time in short period of time to choose the correct repertory, it is the repertories are classified by Dr. Hahnemann. Repertories have been classified into various groups by different authors, but no standard classification prevails. The most comprehensible classification would be as follows. So there are different types of repertories. The book, the book is on general, the book written on particular topic. So the book which is written on in general, it is again divided into Puritan group and Logico Utilitarian group. The examples of Logico Utilitarian group are Kantian concept. It is based on Kantian concept, Konigsegg concept, alphabetical repertory, then general clinical repertories. So these are the Utilitarian group of repertories. Then the particular book, the book which is based on particular region or particular or special part. So these are called as particular repertories. Then card repertories. Card repertories are again slit cards, slip cards, then slit cards, disk repertory, and card repertory. Then mechanically aided repertory, that is auto visual computer software and mobile application. The repertories, they are classified into different ways. This was the first classification. Then the second classification is repertories which are based on philosophical concept, and repertories which are not based on philosophical concept. So the repertories based on philosophical concept, these repertories have distinctive principles of their own. Therefore, cases have to be selected to fit them with the principles. Even to understand these repertories, their philosophical concept must be known. In these repertories, the symptoms may not be found in the language of the materia medica, but the symptoms change their form to fit into the arrangement of repertories. These repertories belong to logico-utilitarian group. As stated above, repertories have their own distinctive philosophies. On this basis, they are further classified into subgroups. So, the first classification is repertories based on philosophical concept. Means these are the repertories which are having some fixed philosophy behind that. As for example, Kant's repertory, it is having a fixed philosophy, that is, it is based on the concept of deductive logic, or it is based, or Dr. Kant, he gave importance first to general symptoms, in that first mental general, then physical general, then particular. So in this way, these repertories, they are based on some philosophical concept. As Dr. Boni Hussein's repertory, it is based on the concept of complete symptom. So in Boni Hussein's repertory, we found the arrangement, or it is based on the, according to his, the arrangement of the repertory is also according to his philosophy. So in this way, the different author, the different homeopath, they have their own philosophy, and according to their philosophy, the repertories are divided into different groups. So first is based on philosophical concept. In that again there are some subgroups or subdivisions. Here the generals are given prime importance. First group or first subclassification is repertories based on concept of general